To fix the higher freezer error code ED 2025, follow these steps. First, understand that the ED 2025 error code typically indicates a temperature sensor issue or a malfunction in the freezer's temperature control system. Start by unplugging the freezer from the power outlet to ensure your safety while working on it. Next, locate the temperature sensor, usually found at the back or bottom of the freezer. Check the sensor for any signs of damage or blockage and clean or replace it if necessary. If the sensor is not the issue, proceed to check the freezer's temperature control system. This system is usually located behind the control panel or at the back of the freezer. Look for any loose connections or damaged wires and repair or replace them as needed. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the temperature control module or the main control board. These components can be accessed by removing the back or bottom panel of the freezer. Be sure to consult the user manual or a professional if you are not comfortable with this step. In addition to these steps, it is also important to check the freezer's door seals for any signs of damage or wear. A faulty door seal can cause temperature fluctuations, leading to the ED 2025 error code. Inspect the seals and replace them if necessary. To prevent future issues, make sure to regularly clean and maintain the freezer, including the condenser coils and drain. This will help ensure the freezer operates efficiently and effectively. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you should be able to fix the higher freezer error code ED 2025 and get your freezer working properly again. If you are still experiencing issues, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance.